Hello everyone, how are you? Just thought you might be interested in my latest delivery here that my order from UKMCPro arrived today. Ordered another cap. As you can see, it's cryptic style with the Velcro on here and on the top and on the back for me badges. I have another two caps with cryptic on, these two here. As you can see, one is sort of like in OD styly sort of jungle, and this one's a sort of FDE browny, bit of grey on there as well. So I've had these for a number of years, but I really wanted a this style, the darker coloured one, and I've had to wait a little while to get one really. So here it is, Miltech. So I got this from UKMCPro. This was about £4.50 if I remember rightly, something like that anyway. So it's feels quite nice. It is tells you about it here. 65% polyester, 35% palm wool, which is cotton. So there you go. We'll be chopping that label off shortly. But yeah, there's that. And I also like a nice Shemaghs as well. So I've got quite a few of them. There's about 3 of them already. So I ordered these two here. This one says it's got pineapples on it. Look, pineapples, nice. I've got white and black, but I haven't got this black with white on it. We'll get them out in a moment. Here's the other one. This is an FDE. I've already got an FDE Shemaghs. Check it out, guys. This is my current FDE Shemaghs. As I say, I've got OD in black and white and black. Got those. So I think what we ought to do is get these out of the packet, shall we, guys, and take a look. Where are they from? It says Germany on here somewhere. So whether they're made in China or Germany, or whether they're made in Germany, I don't know. But here we go. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that feels nice actually. That's quite a nice bit of material. There we go. I think you can just about see that, can't you, guys? So if we used to hang on. So there we go. There's the black and grey one. Oops, we'll just trip over that, whatever it was. But there we go. What was that I tripped over there? Old plates on the floor. Mrs. Rathbone's left all over the floor. What do you reckon, guys? Yeah, get rid of those for a moment too. What do you think? Pretty cool. Let's get the other one out and have a look at it. Oh yeah, I do like FDE actually, to be honest with you. So there we go. Turn him round. But yeah, so you got it, whichever way you like. Pretty cool. I like a nice Shemaghs in the winter time. Keeps me nice and warm. You can also, cover your face with it as well if you need to. If you need to stay a little bit warmer. But yeah, there we go. What do you think? Cool or what? Quick spin there, guys. Yeah, nice. Actually, these two go together quite well. Make a nice pairing in the winter. What's it like on the other side? I haven't looked at the other side yet. So we've got these sort of like white on black. Can we get the other side? What's that like? Oh yeah. There's the other side. Pretty cool. As I said, they're 100% cotton as well. They're very nice in the winter time. Keep you warm. Wrap it around your neck. Keeps the cold out. Very nice. Alrighty, guys. Hope you enjoyed popping over and taking a look at my new purchase. As I say, I got these from UKMCPro. I paid for 48-hour delivery, but they actually arrived the next day, straight after dispatch, which I thought was very good. So there we we go, fits a treat, nice one, got it sized right as well, good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed popping over to Rathbone Manor, taking a look at my new kit, and thanks for watching.